Here we are on a cold, rainy March day, but just because it's cold and rainy doesn't mean we can't be outside having fun, getting exercise, and learning at the same time. This is the number line 1 to 20 stencil that is stenciled here on the black top, and I'm going to show you now some different activities that you can do with this stencil. Okay, so the first thing to do is to jump on every number and say the number as loud as you can.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
That's great. Now, jump backwards. Jump from 20 down to 1, saying the numbers.
20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That's great. Now it's time for hopscotch. So first jump up with 1 foot on the 1 and say 1, and then 2 feet on the 2 and say 2 and clap at the same time.
1, 2.
Okay, good. Keep going.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
That's great. Okay, now come back over here. And what I would like you to do is to skip count by 2s. And I'd like you to do it where you jump on the 2 and say 2, then jump over to the 4 and say 4, and then the 6 and say 6. I'd like you to do this 6 times, and then I'm going to ask you if you are out of breath and if it's good exercise doing this.
Okay. 1,
Oh wait,
2.
come back. Do it like this. So you with 2 feet. 2, 4, 6. And go as fast as you can.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20.
One time. Come on around and do it again.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20.
Good job. Again.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20.
Excellent. One more time. Or 3 more times.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20.
Great. 2 more times.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20.
1 more time.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20.
That's great. Now come right over here to the camera and tell everybody if that gives you good exercise or not.
That does give me good exercise, and that is very breathtaking. So I think you can get healthier and you can have a better time outside even though it's cold and rainy.
That's great. I want to ask you another question. You did math and movement when you were in 1st grade.
Yep.
Do you remember doing math and movement when you were in 1st grade?
A little bit of it.
Do you remember whether that helped you to learn how to multiply?
That helped me a lot.
Good.
To multiply. So now I'm having a lot of fun doing it.
Great. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Hi, I'm Susie Kuntz, the founder of Math and Movement. We have developed a new technology that will allow parents and teachers to use QR readers and QR codes to go to the website and have access to activities that they can do outside using stenciled places like this. This is the 1 to 20 floor mat that has been stenciled here. And the way to do this is to go to the App Store and download the QR scanner. And once you do that, you take the cell phone and you line it up with the QR code. You put it in the box, you click enter, and at that point it will bring you right to the website, and from there you can do the activities that are based on the 1 to 20 stencil.
Hi, I'm a middle school student, and I think math and movement is the best way that you can learn because you're physically active and you're learning math. I mean, what's more fun than that?